We're back here for breakfast. Samosas. The lady is packing our samosas to take away. We can eat them in our accommodation. Super delicious samosas. Good morning from Palolem Beach. So we came to Palolem today to extend our scooter rent we are actually getting a Royal Enfield today. Julius wanted to test drive a Royal Enfield, so but he's gone to get it, and it needs some fixing, I think. So we have a bit of time to wait for him. So I just said I'll go for a walk around the beach. And another side of Palolem Beach is cows, dogs running around freely. Quite a lot of rubbish. Oh, this one is actually Jersey, trying to get the coconut. Here's Julius. Wow. So we are just out on the beach now, and we got offered a boat tour. With this boat there, so it's 2,500 rupees for both of us. And apparently the tour goes all the way around this island and then stops at a couple beaches. So we stopped at this butterfly beach. Apparently it's shaped as a butterfly. It's pretty busy here, so they said we have 30 minutes so we can go into the water for a little swim. Now, and our boat is coming back. It's a very busy beach. People are only allowed to swim there. In the corner. Yeah, they're just behind that boat there. So a couple of dolphins. That way. We came back to our favorite place for lunch, and here is the veg pakoda. It's deep fried vegetable pieces. It's super delicious. So here is my seafood biryani. It came with this vegetable raita, and here is Julius's butter chicken and some paratha as well, plain paratha. Julius just received his garlic roti. Wow, so very beautiful. Very nice. So that's the total for all that food. So it was $7.20. So we just got back to our accommodation, going to get some rest. It's lovely evening, quite warm, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.